What am I missing? Music. That's what we're missing. Shuffle. All right. Welcome back, everyone. Running a little late tonight, but that's fine. Okay, it is daily number 20, big 2-0, and we are hopping into it. January 29th. Got time for one more this month, I think. We'll get 21 tomorrow. Okay. Last time we got this working with the branch bug. It snaps to the ground now properly, which is good. And then it also locks on and charges at us. Which, you know, I'm pretty happy with. I can get it seeing us here as well. Just zips around. Alright, we want to make it so that we can deal damage to it, kill it, and take damage from it. That's kind of the goals for tonight. Okay. So play script's pretty big. I think I'm gonna put the collision stuff in the enemy script probably. So I know I have some collisions in. Now the problem is that my Pisha I think is not going to hit, which is annoying. Poor job of cleaning my glasses. There we are. Okay, we can see. I'm probably gonna put the collider logic in the branch bug script, I think. I think we should probably try and make it so that we can kill the branch bug first. Branch bug inherits from entity. We're gonna review the entity code. Which I might end up changing to enemy at some point as well, I think. Okay, damage number is equal to resource start load. Damage number, update, we do nothing. In fact, I'm gonna get rid of this altogether. Alright, public virtual void take damage, int damage. Game object inst is equal to instantiate. This is something you call on the branch bug itself. Set fire is also here. Set fire calls the burn. How does this work? While count is less than ticks. I guess that does just work, huh? I suppose that would work. Okay, so, kind of doesn't matter if we take damage because we need health as well. So let's give entities a health amount. Private, so I'll put it at the bottom. No, I'll put it at the top. Private int health. I don't think there's any reason I'd make it a float. It's just gonna be integer. Do I want to give it a value? I mean, the branch bug's gonna have to set it anyway. But I guess we just set it in the start, right? Can I do like int HP and then have health equal? Oh, I can. Interesting. And then I think I can pass it in here. Or can I not? Has an incorrect. Okay, actually I can't do this. That's fine. We'll just do it in the parent start method. We can just assign it to our objects. So we can say here in the start. I mean, this is basically the constructor for all intents and purposes. Huh. Can I not refer to this? Maybe protected? Okay. Interesting. Sure. Health is going to be equal to... And let's give the branch bug, like... I actually don't know how much damage my spells do. The branch bug, like, be a little tanky. 20, maybe? Just before the base start. No, I kind of hate this actually. Should go after. This is us just setting up all our values. We're going to set health to 20, and we're going to make it that when we take damage, it reduces our health. So take damage, do a damage number, and then after that we say health minus equals damage, and then we do an if statement. If health is less than or equal to 0, then we want to blow up. I say we make like a little death particle thing that's different from some of the other ones. And we'll just assign it to all entities for now, I guess. And we have to give dummies a health value as well. Anyway, I guess let me just do that really fast. Dummy. Public. Wait, what's the start? How do I do the start function? It's just public. Protected override void start. Protected override void starts. Base start health is going to be equal to a million. Sure. And we'll give it like 9999. It's a little nicer. It's over 9,000. Okay, so we want to do stuff if we run out of HP, which is handled by entity. Now, in order for me to do this, I kind of want to follow similar code that our projectiles do. So Thorn, if it collides, take damage, instantiate particle system, yada yada yada, and then destroy the projectile. I'm just distracted by Imagine Dragons. Enemy is a bit of a vibe. Okay, instantiate an instance. Particles is equal to the particle system. How does this work? Oh, it destroys the object after the particles expire. Create and destroy the explosion particle system. Destroy inst duration. Removes the game object component asset after this amount of time. Do you have to destroy it? I guess you do. Or it'll just keep spitting out particles. I should make this a bit clearer, but whatever. Have I even like commented this script at all? I like haven't. I should probably do that. Anyway, might do it after we're done with the entity script. We're going to do, okay, well, I'm just gonna like, let's start actually like doing particles. Particles, chain parts, damage number. Wait, these are the scripts. I don't want this. Where is, what am I looking for? Prefabs. There we are. No, particle resources. Here we go. I found what I was looking for. Alright, we're just gonna make a new one. 2D, where's particle systems? Actually, I don't know where the particle systems is hiding. Scripting, scene, rendering, particles. Audio, animation, 2D, sprites. It's not gonna be in 2D, right? What am I looking for? I can make it over here. It's like 3D object particle system. No, it's not even effects. It's under effects. And I guess I just make an empty object, right? Scene, prefab. That's probably what I want. I'm gonna call this I don't know, dead enemy. Alright, let's take a look. We got nothing, obviously. We want to add a particle system. Can I just make the particle system the parent component? Or can I not do that? Oh, I can give this a particle system. Yeah, okay. That's what I want to do. Now, by default, it doesn't have... really. How do I, I mean, if I add one like this, then I can see it. It gets created with this particle. Oh, it's at the bottom, is it? Oh, I haven't given it a particle material. Do you feel particle system material? Where does that come from? How do I get this? Material inspector window reference. Like, I want this thing. How do I add a material? I Add a particle system with a material. Unity. Assets create material. This is legacy documentation. Asset. Oh, up here, assets create material. Standard. Oh, I've added a new material in. Interesting. Interesting. If I do this, I can give my particle system this material now. I think. Yeah, like that. I mean, it looks like shit, but yeah. Where does it get the default material from, though? That's what I want. So this is just, like, dragged on. Particles standard unlits. Is that where it's located? Shader standard. Yeah, that's the shader. How can I just, like, find the default one? Guess maybe there's just not a way to find it. Can I copy the material? It's in assets. So if I bring my material back, can I do that? Doesn't look like it. I'd have to make a new one. Okay, hold on, let me just do it. I'm gonna try create material. Try again. And then I'm gonna drag this material into here. And then I do go this, and then I do select material. Yeah, it takes me to it. Can I open this in File Explorer? Show in Explorer, I can. Assets. Okay, so the default material then I just can't find, evidently. Which is a bit annoying. Select material. Yeah, it just highlights assets, but it doesn't actually select it. Annoying. Okay, that's fine. I can copy this, surely, right? Create material preset. That is located outside the project. God, that's annoying. Copy material properties. Can I just dump it in here? Assets create material. Can I paste the material properties? And then if I drag this, is it gonna work? Okay, just gonna do that. And I'll call this default material. So at least I'll be able to refer to this. Okay, that's fine. We got there eventually. Alright, now we can play around with the particle system. Not the material, the particle system. Thank you. Okay. I want the duration to be probably just like a second. I want the speed to be way higher. And the emission to be way higher. Start time, start delay. Start size is fine. Start rotation. Where's start emission? Probably in the emission thing. Is it not? Max particles. Let's just bump to like 5k. Start speed. Where is my... Okay, I have the emission thing. I just bump this up, right? Yeah, okay. There we go. 1,000. Too much. Probably like somewhere in the middle. 200 maybe. Something like that. Shape we're gonna make. I want it to be not burst spread. Loop. Yeah, that's what I want. Okay, lovely. We're gonna angle it. Rotation along the x-axis 90. Other way 270. Awesome. Now let's make the arc wider. Angle, that's what I would make wider. Like 70 maybe? 50. Yeah, like that. No, you know what? I actually think the angle should be like really tight. Change my mind. It's just not quite... I want the spin to be faster. That's what I want. How do I get the loop spread speed? Here we go. That's what I want. There we go. There we go. It's like trying to figure out what I was missing. This was it. Okay. Spread. Just leave that at 0. It's fine. Radius thickness. That's all good. Angle 50. This is gonna like spray out like this. Particles need to have a way shorter lifetime then. Start lifetime like 0.2. A little too short. Oh, actually, this is 1 unit, right? If I drag this up. Oh, it's 10 units? Wait, what is 1 unit? It's that much. Ah, this is a unit. Okay, I see. I think we're way too big then. I want to just double check. Oh, bless me. If I go back to our scene, this is 1 unit, right? This is indeed 1 unit. So our particle system is way too big. What are we playing right now? Some Zelda tracks. Dead enemy. This one. Okay. It's too big. It's too big. Branch bug is going to be like this size for reference, which I can drag in. Where is my branch bug? Did I not make it a prefab? Let's do that right now. Entities, branch bug. Yoink. There we go. Lovely. This guy, I'm going to give a 0, 0, 0 position. Scales are fine as is. Okay. Particles Dead enemy. Like if I dragged a branch bug in here. Yeah, like this is how big a branch bug is. We can just use this as reference then, right? So I need the scale of this thing to be way smaller. And I could scale it down like this. It's actually a bit annoying, the branch being... Oh, yeah, it is kind of a pain in the ass. Okay, anyway, it's fine. We'll deal with it. I'm curious if my other particle systems... Where are we? Particles? Like if I look at one of these... Oh, it is mainly the top level. Okay, that's fine. Just wanted to double check. Okay, so what do we have to do then? Size is way too big. Speed is way too fast then. There we go, now we're getting somewhere. Shape. We need to reduce the radius by a lot. Okay, that's fine. I'm gonna have to start lifetime be less. 0.3 looks good, and then I think I narrow the cone a little bit. Like 30. Maybe 40. Actually, I want this radius to be even tinier. I need to drag this branch bug out of the way so I can see what it looks like. I want it to be more spread. I think the only way to do that is to increase the speed of the rotation. Something like that. Oh wait, that's not the rotation speed, that's the speed of the particles. Where's rotation speed here? Yeah, something like that I think is good. Spits up pretty fast. I could probably reduce it just a little. Nah, change my mind. I like that. And then I'm going to increase the emission rate, I think. Emission 200. Let's make it like 300, 400. It's like too clear the waves though, the more you make it. You know what? You know what's going to fix this? I'm just going to add like some random speed to it, I think. And I think that will resolve the problem. Velocity. Can I do, where's start speed? I want to make this random between two constants. And I'll make it like 4 to 6. Alright, that'll do. I think I'm not going to put too much more effort into this. Let's just let's just go. I'm just going to add some color to it. I think we call it a day. I want this to be color of a lifetime. Gradient. I want it to start as... yeah, actually I do want it to start at like that colorish. Like a gray. A light gray to start. Like that. And I want to go really dark. Why can't I see that in the particles, huh? Why are they just white? Huh? What if I made it like red? Why am I not seeing the color reflected in this? Pause. Restart. Start color. Why is the color not changing at all? The new color. Select. Alright, get rid of this branch bug now. I don't need it anymore. What have I done wrong here? Let me look at the thorn. Star color I didn't touch. Color of a lifetime is set here though. Let's look at maybe flamethrower. This particle system should just be on the upper object probably. Doesn't need to be separate. Anyway, color of a lifetime, and I have it set to be a gradient, and it just works. So how come here a color of a lifetime and it does nothing? Is it because I'm using this material? I wonder if it's just the material. But I should have copied the material. Let me add in a particle system and take a look at what it has. I would have thought it would have just copied over exactly. Don't care about this, I care about this. Rendering mode, fade, color, multiply. I'm getting randomly big ones now. For no reason. What have I done, dude? Okay, fixed. I don't know what I did, but sure. Oh, I know why. It's because I added a second particle system to it. That'd probably do it. What if I just make it opaque? Ooh, that looks awful. Cut out. That looks awful. Transparent. That looks awful. Fade. Color mode, multiply. And the next option is main options. Which I don't even see. It's like a completely different thing. Edits. Main map, metallic. Emission, color, global illumination. Why? Fade, multiply. Why are there like different options here? Maps. Default particle system material. Shader standard. Particles standard unlit. Particles. Standard unlit. There. Ah, okay. We got it. That's all I was missing. I was just missing the shader on it. looks like that's been updated. I think it's a little dark, maybe? That's probably fine. And we just call it that. Okay, so we've made the particle system. We can now actually make it appear. So, private particle system. Just call it death particles. Death particles is equal to resources dot load. Actually, this should be a game object. Resources dot load. How if I wait? If I go to Thorn, am I instantiating this as a particle system? No, I'm not. Okay, good. Load. Shouldn't have to specify game object, right? I guess you do. Fair enough. Game object. I assumed game object would just be default, but I guess I was wrong. Particles dead enemy. Okay, if health is less than or equal to 0, game objects. Guess I have to call it something else. Death inst is equal to instantiates. Bom, 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 bom. Minus. So can I work how I want it to work? Position X, position Y. Okay, the problem is that if I were to theoretically kill the branch bug, the branch bug has a different center spot. Oh, it's kind of annoying then. I might have to pass that value in. Okay, well for the branch bug, I'm just gonna just do transform position. But it'll spawn in a different spot for different enemies. Anyway, that's fine. We'll just leave it like that. And then let me go to the Thorn and look at where I'm doing this crap. Let's copy this. Particle system particles equal to inst or death inst get component particle system. Float duration is equal to particles dot main dot duration. Particles main dot start lifetime constant max. The total lifetime is something that each new particle has. No, that's not what I want though. I want it to be main dot duration. Oh, wait, no, I see what this is doing. This is taking the duration and then adding on the max length that a particle could go for. I see. And then destroy it after the fact. Do I have to add this? I thought duration just loops after the fact, no? I think this should just be duration. Destroy the projectile, is that what I copied? Destroy the entity. I can probably copy over the other comment as well. Death particle system. Okay, I want to test this and see if it works. should just work, I think. Okay, what spells do I have to deal damage? Can be a little difficult. Okay, hold on, I'm gonna hit this thing. Okay, when I hit it next... Oh, okay, it exploded under the ground. Oh, it's not disappearing. Interesting. Why is this just stuck? Also, one thing I want to do as well, I want to make sure that the damage numbers are above everything in the layer level. Damage number, I want this to be... should probably be on like a UI layer. Oh, there is a UI layer. Okay, I'll just use that then. Is 4 above? I guess the higher the number, the further in front it is then. How do I get back? This. Oh, wait, I wanted to do it. It was in here. Damage number, click. I want to give it UI layer. Let's try that, because I hopefully want to make it so that it appears over the top of the background. Didn't channel it long enough, go me. Missed, go me. I think I'd be better at aiming this thing. There we go. No, it's still appearing behind. I can change it to Z position. Mesh renderer. Text mesh. Probably just give it a Z position of 1. I think that'll do it. Z position of -1. Oh, it just disappeared. Let's try that. No. Okay. I should probably figure out how to do this properly. Unity rendering layers. Alright, care about lights. You need change rendering layers. Unity render objects in front of everything. You can adjust the render queue in a material to make Unity render these objects last. Okay, wasn't helpful. I don't see a lot here. It's probably the renderer though. Materials 1. Font material, lighting, cast shadows off. Probes, additional settings. I mean, I don't see anything useful here. Just want to like just render in front of everything else. If I give it to enemy layer. Text. Like, I don't know if these layers are rendering layers or not. Because I know they're used for hitboxing stuff. Yeah, it doesn't work. Here, remove that. What is the position of the platforms? It has a Z position of 0. But they render in front of everything else. Sorting layer, default. Ordering layer. I mean, here's where you can set it. So how come I can't do that for the text renderer? Also, can I change this from 20? I can make it whatever. Text renderer, change. Unity text renderer, change order in layer. Can't do it without a script or text mesh pro or something similar. Don't I have a text mesh pro? I just have a text mesh. Text mesh pro. Text input, bunch of crap. Is there an order and layer thing here? Yeah, it looks like people just set it via script, which I'm not going to do right now, so I guess we'll just leave it. Weird that it's not available in the editor, but okay, whatever. Okay, we made it die. However, one issue is that I need a better spell for killing this as well, I think. Let me give the player like the flamethrower spell. That'll be way easier. Put that over chain. Okay, with flamethrower I should be able to much more easily kill the bug. Surely. Or it just won't take any damage. Why is this bug immune to most of my damage things? I had to figure out like why half my scripts just aren't working properly. I think this one not working either. Can I hit the dummy with it? Yeah, I can. Why can't I hit the branch bug? That is very strange. Maybe I figure that out first then. Let's go back to flamethrower. Collider, col.collider.tag enemy. And then if I look at the branch bug, layer and oh, tag derp. Derp, derp, derp. That'd be it, probably. Project. Where's branch bug? Prefabs, entities, branch bug. You need to be tagged enemy. I had the wrong tag on it. That was all. I was using a layer when I should have been using tag. Boom. Explodes. But then this is not disappearing, and I want to disappear. And why is that, huh? What am I doing wrong? So let's go back to the entity. This worked. This did not work. Ah. That's all it was. Okay. Okay, fairly easy. Started channeling the wrong spell. You know, I'll just use the thorn, whatever. I will use the thorn. I will miss. Boom. I mean, it worked. Boom. Okay, okay, okay. Not bad. We got it to blow up. And we should have it make it deal damage to the player as well. That's going to be the last thing I do. Bit of a quick one tonight, I think. So the branch bug we want to add collider stuff for. So where's Thorn? So I'm using on collision enter 2D, which I want to use the same thing for the branch bug. However, I want to use it for colliding with the player. Don't care about this. If we collide with the player, then we want to also take damage. Now, player should also probably inherit from entity now. Player. Inherit from entity. Does it break anything? Protected. Override. Void. Start. Base dot. Start. Where's health here? So I'm gonna get rid of this. Game object inst. Crane destroyed the explosion particles. Okay, well, we're not going to kill the player, so that's fine. If we collide with player, then call dot... How do I get the script attached to it? Call.gameObject.getComponent. Call.gameObject.getComponent. Entity? Is that what I did? Yeah, okay. And then dots take... Oh. Dot take damage. So if the branch bug collides with us, we take like 10 damage, let's say. We're not going to set fire to the player. This is on enter. So I think it shouldn't like fire every frame. I think it'll just be the once it enters, and then it'll only be active again once it leaves our hitbox. And hopefully we should see the UI update as well. Okay, we have compiler errors. Heal player and lose mana. Right. Player damage. Yeah, it's because I've done it differently. Do I want to heal script as well? I mean, maybe I want these to just be separate. Okay, I'm gonna have player not inherit for entity for the moment. Just gonna like undo all this. So we'll have it just stay with mono behavior. And then branch bub won't take damage it'll get the player script component. And it will set the health minus equals 10. So we'll just do that. I probably will rename the entity script to the enemy script, and I think we'll keep the player script separate because they're probably going to be different enough that I want them to be separate regardless. Also, I need to find... Yeah, I need to get rid of this debug. Oh, and this one. This one's different too. This one. Since we do not need those anymore. Okay, hopefully we should take 10 damage when it runs through us. No more, no less. We take no damage. Are we tagged with the player? We are. Do we have a rigid body attached? We do. Kinematic. So it appears... debug.log collision. And then here, it's the player. Let's try that. No collisions at all. Interesting. What's up with that, huh? Why is that branch fog not colliding with us, huh? On collision, enter 2D. When this collided 2D, rigid body 2D, has it gone touching another rigid body 2D or collided 2D? Oh, can I give it a collider 2D instead? I need to look at this, go to implementation. Huh? Okay, just won't let me look at it, sure. Like, do I need to put rigid bodies on all my things? This implies I shouldn't have to. That it should just check if colliders collide. 2D physics only. I mean, it works for the Thorn, right? Thorn... Like, all my projectiles I have this working properly. Calder collider.tag. Calder collider.tag. Player. We are tagged player, as we can see. So why does it not like that, huh? What's with my offset, by the way? Shouldn't this be 0, 0? I don't know where the collider went. Let me open. Oh, interesting. You can open it like that. Player. Yeah, I should have a 0, 0 offset. No, it doesn't. Do you not like how the size doesn't line up either? Looks about right. Okay, I think that's fixed. Anyway, I kind of got distracted because why is my collider not working? Yo, what's up, Potato? Doing alright? I'm actually gonna be wrapping up reasonably soon. I'm just trying to figure out why my enemy's not colliding with my player. This little guy down here should collide with my player, but he doesn't. And I don't know why. So we're trying to figure that out. This code here should detect the collision, but it is not, and I don't know why. Enemy, enemy, player, player. Unity on collision enter 2D. Why are we not colliding? Explain that to me, game. It doesn't even hit this. But I bet if I threw a projectile at it, it would work. Yeah, that detected the collision. So how come it doesn't detect the collision when I just run into it? Like, huh? Huh? What's the difference? The player is not colliding, yet the object is. The projectile is. There's something about this that's different from the player. Okay, what does it have? It has a circle collider. It's supposed to have a box collider. It has a rigid body. Rigid body set to dynamic. Is it because I'm not... Is it because I've set this to kinematic? I wonder if I do this. If this is what does it, then it's kind of freaking dumb. Alright, we'll try that. If it works, then I need to figure out how this... Oh. That's very interesting. Did we collide? Okay, we did collide with the player. Our player has tipped. Which is not what I want. And if I take out simulated, will it still collide? I need to figure out my collisions detection. Get it to actually work. Okay. Static. What if I do static? Will it detect? No. Okay, so static kinematic doesn't work. On collision, enter 2D without rigid body. Unity, rigid body with no physics. Okay, so like this kinematic thing should work. Collision detection continuous? Maybe that's what I was missing. Set collision detection to continuous instead. Still doesn't work. Like if I set it to kinematic, it doesn't get picked up. Use full kinematic contacts. Just gonna mess around with all the settings and see if any of them work. Ah, that one worked. Lovely. Okay. What if I change this back to discrete now? Will it still work? Okay, I should change everything to be kinematic then. Okay, that works as well. And it takes health off me. We've done it. Every loop. The bug reduces our health by 10. Incredible. I love this little guy. Look at him. He's so angry. Nyom. Are we gonna flamethrower him? Okay. Alright, well, nice and quick stream tonight, but yeah. I think I'm going to call it there. We might do some more enemy design tomorrow. I don't know if there's much more I want to do for the branch bug for now. I think I'm kind of happy with where it's at. I could do like player knockback. That's the one thing that I probably want to add at some point. Like when the player gets hit, they like get invincibility frames and they get knocked back a bit. But that'd be about it. Otherwise, I'm happy with where we at. I want to try like see if I can like jiggle in and out of it. And get my health below. Yeah, you like the flamethrower potato? That one was fun to make. But I did that last time I was working on this. If I stand like here, does it pick me up? Oh, it probably shouldn't. How far away can I stand? Even picks me up there. That's a little concerning. There it doesn't pick me up. Okay, we're at 0 health. We're at negative 10 HP, wow. So technically these dummies are killable, they just have 9,000 HP. But I think if I fire enough flamethrowers at them, they'll probably die eventually. Like, flamethrower does a fair bit of damage. You can see the damage numbers just railing off it. because it's applying every single frame. I mean, I think it actually looks so sick. Seeing the damage numbers just tick off so fast. I should try the lightning bolt actually. Which is this one. Okay, that still doesn't work properly. Thorn works at least. Dude, how much health does this thing have? Holy crap. I thought it'd be almost dead by now. Guess I have vastly underestimated. Or overestimated my damage, more like. Can I jump out of the out of bounds? I thought I could. Yeah, you can. It's just precise. Alright, you know what? Maybe I'm going to give up on this endeavor. Alright, I will. Okay, well, thanks for running stop by for tuning in. Quick stream, but yeah, I'm gonna hop off for tonight. I'll be on tomorrow to do some more stuff. So thanks for stopping by, Potato, and I will catch you all around. Have a good one.